Before starting the video, I would like to ask you, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it also for getting new updation of the new videos. In this video, we shall learn how to edit the paragraph. In fact, any of the writer when writes some, there are the chances when a writer commits some of the errors in the paragraph. So to ensure accuracy, we have to edit the paragraph. In your classes, in CBSE schools, the editing of the paragraph is practiced and it is also asked in the examination. Before starting the task of editing, we must revise the rules of using the forms of verb, tenses, prepositions, auxiliaries, determiners or conjunctions, because there are the basic mistakes which are committed in these areas which I discussed with you. So let us start how to edit the paragraph. To start the work of editing, at first we must read the complete paragraph in one go, because reading the single lines will not provide you the opportunity of detecting the error. So we have to read it completely. After reading or while reading the para, wherever you notice the mistake, just underline the word. If it is not possible, you may read it twice also. After reading, correct the wrong words which are used wrongly. Then in the side of the paragraph, write the wrong word and the correct word. So let us start reading of this para. More of the fun and excitement in your life comes. Fun and excitement, these are the two words which are mainly discussed in this line. From use your senses, here we see from a preposition. Use your senses, use a verb. Your senses, senses open up a world. Conjunction, who is full of sights, sounds, smells, tastes and things to touch. The sharp, your senses and the sharp, your senses and the more you use it, the more enjoyable each of these world's object become for you. For instance, a painter can see shades and shapes which less gifted people cannot see. In fact, these are 8 lines and there are mistakes in 6 lines. Line number 1 is given for example and line number 8 is given only to complete the sense of the para. So we have to detect the error or the mistake. Let us start with the very first line, that is for your example. Here it is the word more. I am talking about fun and excitement. These are the two things which can't be counted. So instead of using more determiner, we shall use here much. So more is the mistake, we shall write more, then much is the correct word. We shall write at first the wrongly used word and after that correct word that will replace the wrong word. So much of the fun and excitement in your life comes from is the preposition and use. When there is the use of any of the verb after preposition, we use gerund form, means first form plus ing. So instead of use, we shall use using. So here instead of use is the wrong word and right word will be using. From using your senses. Now senses open up. In one line there will be only single mistake, no two mistakes will be there. So one mistake is corrected here. So senses open up a world who is full of sights, sounds, smells and taste. So world is not a living thing. Instead of using who, we shall use here which. So we shall use which at the place of a who. Sound, smells, taste and things to touch. The sharp your senses and the more you use it. Now the senses of oneself is compared with the other senses. Here it is a comparison. So here it will be the use of sharper instead of a sharp. Instead of a sharp, we shall use a sharper. So the sentence will be, the sharper your senses and the more you use it. Here we see it is the use of it here, but senses are given in a plural. So plural noun is given. So instead of using it as a pronoun, we shall use a them. So the sentence will be, the sharper your senses and the more you use them instead of it. We shall use them. More you use them. The more enjoyable each of this world's object become for you. Here now, enjoyable each of this world's object. Each of this world's object shows singular, because this is not for the many objects, but the writer is saying about each object, means one object or one by one object. So instead of using become, we shall use present indefinite. Becomes will be there. The right form of the verb will be become instead of becomes instead of become. Now the sentence will be likewise, the sharp your senses and the sharper your senses and the more you use them, the more enjoyable each of this world's object becomes for you. For instance means at the same time, but the writer is here going to give the example. So it will be not instant, but it will be for instance. At the place of instant, we shall use a instance, for instance. So we shall read it now. For instance, a painter can see shades and shapes which less gifted people cannot see. These are the some of the mistakes which were in the form of verb, determiner, conjunction, or any of the verb, or any such type of mistakes may be there that you have to correct it. So you have to make much more practice to get the grip on the topic of editing. Thank you very much.